Hello everyone. How many establishments can be handled by managing head? Ang sagot po dito mababasa din natin sa Dow 2014-02. Let me show it on the screen. In Dow 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation, particularly in section 4, defining the managing head. The managing head, the highest executive officer of the establishment. And this managing head, as also reflected in section 7, let me read and I quote, section 7, appointment or designation of PCOs. The managing heads of establishments, LGUs, and other government institutions that discharge solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment or whose activities, products, or services are actual and or potential sources of land, water, or air pollution shall appoint or designate and seek accreditation for their PCO, provided that no PCO shall serve as such for more than one establishment. So ano po yung mababasa natin dito sa tanong kanina na how many establishment that can be handled by the managing head? Yun yung magandang tanong. Pero yung malinaw na sagot nandoon naman sa section 7. Sabi dito, ang managing head ang nag-a-appoint or nagde-designate and seeking accreditation for their PCO. So ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Yung ating managing head nag-a-appoint ng isang PCO sa isang establishment. Now, ang ibig sabihin nito ay kung siya yung nag-a-appoint ng PCO at kung ilang establishments meron ang isang managing head at may kanya-kanyang PCO siya doon at siya yung nag-a-appoint naman nga ng mga PCO. Therefore, the answer to the question is 2 or more. He or she can handle multiple establishment as the managing head of his or her appointed pollution control officer. So malinaw dito na ang managing head ang nag-a-appoint at nagde-designate ng kanyang PCO. So therefore, so lahat ng establishment na meron siyang in-appoint, pwede siyang maging managing head. So that's the answer on how many establishment that can be handled by the managing head. Multiple establishment can be handled by the managing head at ito ay kabaliktaran doon sa sinasabi naman tungkol sa PCO. Babasahin lang din natin ulit ang section 7, sabi dito, provided that no PCO shall serve as such for more than one establishment. So yung managing head na humahawak ng iba't ibang PCO or humahawak ng multiple establishments sa kanyang mga in-appoint na PCO, sa kabaliktaran, ang PCO naman cannot handle multiple establishment. So yung managing head pwedeng mag-handle ng multiple establishment at ito ay iba doon sa PCO. I hope may natutunan tayo doon sa tanong na yon kung ilan ang pwedeng i-handle ng isang managing head. Maraming salamat everyone for listening. And if you want to know more about environmental compliance, environmental requirements, at sa pagsagot sa mga ganitong katanungan, please subscribe to this channel, please share this video, please follow, please share, and you are encouraged to make comments, suggestion, and feedback. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day. God bless us all.